Hey there, welcome back to Money Making Wolves. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore. How to make $100 $200 a day with Pinterest. Yes, that's right. Pinterest is not just for inspiration, it can be a fantastic platform for generating income. So, stay tuned as we dive into the steps and strategies to boost your earnings on Pinterest. Understanding Pinterest. Before we get into the details, let's start with the basics. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform, but it's also a powerful search engine with over 400 million active users. People use Pinterest to discover new ideas, products, and services. And that's where you can tap into its potential for income. Pinterest is a popular social media and visual discovery platform where users can discover, save, and share content in the form of images, known as pins. Key points to understand about Pinterest include visual discovery. Pinterest is primarily focused on visual content, where users can explore and save images, infographics, and videos that pique their interest. Pins. Pins are images or videos that users save to their own collections or boards. Pins often link to external websites, making Pinterest a valuable source of traffic for websites and blogs. Boards. Users organize their saved pins into themed collections called boards. Boards can be public or private and are a way to categorize and curate content. Search and discovery. Pinterest serves as a visual search engine, allowing users to search for content using keywords or explore recommended pins based on their interests. Community and sharing. Users can follow others, reppin their content, like, comment, and engage with a community of like-minded individuals. Many businesses and individuals are leveraging Pinterest to drive traffic, increase brand visibility, and generate revenue. The key is understanding how to use Pinterest effectively. Using Pinterest effectively involves a mix of creativity, keyword optimization, audience understanding, and a commitment to engagement and consistency. Whether you're using Pinterest for personal inspiration or business growth, these following strategies can help you make the most of this visual discovery platform. Create a business account. To make money on Pinterest, the first step is to create a business account if you haven't already. It's free and offers valuable features for marketers. Creating a business account on Pinterest is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set up your business account. Sign up or convert. You can either create a new business account from scratch or convert your existing personal Pinterest account into a business account. To convert, log into your personal account and then go to Pinterest for Business. Choose your business type. You'll be asked to select your business type from the following options. 1. Online marketplace, if you sell products online. 2. Local business, if you have a physical location or serve a specific local area. 3. Retailer, if you have a physical store and an online presence. 4. Brand, if you represent a brand or organization. 5. Other, if none of the above options apply. Complete your profile. Fill in your business name, select your language and country, and choose a relevant business category. Verify your website. To access Pinterest analytics and other business features, you'll need to verify your website. You can do this by either adding an HTML tag to your website's code or uploading an HTML file to your web server. Follow the on-screen instructions for your chosen verification method. Pinning strategy. A great pinning strategy for Pinterest involves a combination of creativity, consistency, and optimization to increase the visibility of your content. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating an effective pinning strategy. Create high-quality pins. 1. Use visually appealing images or graphics. 2. Make sure your pins are high-resolution and well-designed. 3. Consider using Canva or other design tools for creating pins. Keyword optimization. 1. Include relevant keywords in your pin descriptions and board titles. 1. Think about what users might search for when looking for your content. 2. Use Pinterest's guided search feature to discover popular keywords in your niche. Pin consistency. 1. Maintain a regular pinning schedule. 1. Consistency is essential to keep your profile active and engage your audience. 2. Pin both your content and content from others that complements your niche. Diversify content. 1. Create a variety of pins that showcase different aspects of your niche. 2. Experiment with different pin designs, such as single images, carousels, or video pins. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest can be a lucrative way to monetize your Pinterest account by promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your affiliate links. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Select a niche. Choose a niche or category that aligns with your interests, your Pinterest audience, and the affiliate programs you plan to join. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs relevant to your niche. You can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, or directly approach brands with affiliate programs. Create a business account. If you haven't already, set up a Pinterest business account or convert your personal account into a business account for access to analytics and other business features. Disclose affiliation. It's essential to disclose your affiliation with affiliate programs on Pinterest. Transparency builds trust with your audience. Select affiliate products. Choose affiliate products that fit your niche and would appeal to your Pinterest followers. Select products with high-quality images and a strong value proposition. Create compelling pins. 1. Design visually appealing pins for the affiliate products. 1. High-quality images and clear, concise text work best. 2. Use call to action, CTA, language in your pins to encourage clicks. 3. Include your affiliate link in the pin description or on the pin image itself. Promote your own products or services. If you have your products or services, Pinterest can be a powerful marketing tool. Create product showcases. Showcase your offerings through eye-catching pins and link them to your website or online store. Utilize buyable pins. If possible, use Pinterest's buyable pins feature to allow users to purchase directly from your pins. Track performance. To fine-tune your strategy and boost your income, it's crucial to track your performance. Pinterest Analytics. Use Pinterest Analytics to monitor pin performance, understand what's working, and adjust your strategy accordingly. And there you have it. How to make $100 $200 a day with Pinterest. Remember, it might take some time and effort to see significant income, but with consistency, quality pins, and a well-thought-out strategy, you can turn Pinterest into a reliable source of revenue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.